Hi everyone. We're going to use the fact that log base 12 of 3 equals 0.44 and log base 12 of 7 equals 0.78 to evaluate each expression. Now when you get problems like this, what they usually don't tell you is that log base 12 of 12 equals 1. So you have to just know that when you're doing the problems, mainly because 12 to the first power equals 12 if you write that in exponentially versus the log way. So anyway, these are the 5 problems we're going to do, and we're going to use this one, and this one to evaluate each expression. Okay, so the first one we have is log base 12 of 21, then log base 12 of 7 over 3. So this first one we can write as log base 12 of 7 times 3. Now, we're going to use our product property and expand this as log base 12 of 7 plus log base 12 of 3. And then merely we substitute log base 12 of 7 is 0.78 and log base 12 of 3 is 0.44. So when you add this up, we're going to get 12, and so it's going to be 1.22, I believe. And that's it. Now on this one, we're going to expand it by using the quotient property. Log base 12 of 7 minus log base 12 of 3. So we just substitute now. Log base 12 of 7 is 0.78 minus log base 12 of 3 is 0.44, and that equals 0.34. Okay, now the next one is this one, and don't forget we also know that log base 12 of 12 equals 1. You're just supposed to know that. So let's write this as log base 12 of 3 times 12 and expand. So you get log base 12 of 3 plus log base 12 of 12. Using the product property, log base 12 of 3 is 0.44 and log base 12 of 12 is 1. So your answer is going to be 1.44. The next one is this one. So I can write this one or two ways. I can write this as log base 12 of 7 times 7, which would be log base 12 of 7 plus log base 12 of 7. So that's going to be 0.78 plus 0.78 using the product property. And so that's going to give you 1.56. Or what you could do is write it this way, log base 12 of 7 squared. Now I can use my power property, which is actually the most important property, and bring this 2 in front. So you have 2 times log base 12 of 7. So that's going to be 2, and log base 12 of 7 is 0.78, and you get the same answer as 1.56. Right, and this is the last one. We're doing log base 12 of 48, which is the more challenging one. Don't forget that log base 12 of 12 equals 1. So the way I'm going to write this is log base 12 of 12 times 4. Now, I know we don't have a 4 here, but I'm going to show you something. So let's expand this. Log base 12 of 12 plus log base 12 of 4. Well, I can write 4 differently. I can write it as log base 12 of 12 plus log base 12, and I can say 12 divided by 3, because 12 divided by 3 is 4. So now we have log base 12 of 12 plus log base 12 of 12 minus log base 12 of 3. And you just read all this from left to right. So these two right here, these two right here, this is 1. So 1 plus 1, those two were 1, minus 0.44. So this equals 2 minus 0.44, which equals 1.56. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.